Welcome to RPS Bal Sainik Vidyalay. This is monitor. यह monitor है. This is CPU. यह CPU है. This is keyboard. यह keyboard है. This is mouse. यह mouse है. This is printer. यह printer है. This is speaker. यह speaker है. This is UPS. यह UPS है. This is pen drive. यह pen drive है. This is scanner. यह scanner है. This is headphone. यह headphone है. This is web camera. यह web camera है. This is memory card. यह memory card है. This is motherboard. यह motherboard है. This is processor. यह processor है.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.